There's nothing you can do but watch this water come. I mean, once this starts, it's in the hands of the good Lord. My name is Sidney Scott, and I've lived out here 68 years, all my life. I farm, raised my family here. This is my daughter, Alexis. She's looking at me.
Good to have family.
Yeah, that's right. She makes sure Dad is okay.
I'm gonna do that now.
Okay, the house right here is my brother's house, and last time with Floyd, he had a foot less than I did. And my mother's house had 2 foot of water in it, and so she's about 6 foot higher than I am. But you know where your elevation is. I picked a mud hole to live in. This farm has been in our family over 100 years. My granddaddy came here, and they never saw anything like this. And now this is the second time I've seen it. With Floyd, before it was over, we had 4 foot in the house. We lost all our equipment and all the crops because it was September the 17th. We still had tobacco in the field, and all my tobacco barns were full of tobacco. So Floyd really was more of a disaster if this will stay where it's at.
This is some of the furniture that we got out of the houses. This actually came out of my house. When we heard it was coming, we went ahead and tried to make some preparation. And we had no idea. We lost everything last time.
I don't know how much damage it's done to the soybeans. We had all our peanuts on top of the ground. I don't know how much damage it's done to them either.
I hope my bridge isn't washed out.
We got a farm up at Scott's Crossroads that's completely underwater, and they're all peanuts, and I'm sure we lost 100% of that.
But you can see the peanuts, all this stuff like this is going to be ruined. Peanuts like that you see floating is just a total loss. You'll never gain them. Anybody that's in a natural disaster is hard on them, but at least some people get to go back to work.
Right.
But when you kind of do what we do, it takes a lot longer to get back in the normal pattern because things are just so thrown off. And a lot of times things are just destroyed. You can't, there's nothing to do. You just got to pick up the pieces and move on.
You don't know what to do. Because most farmers are like myself, we borrow money to farm with. I mean, I'm just a small farmer, and when Floyd came through, of course, we didn't have any flood insurance, and we were built back. I took flood insurance because I was in the 500 year. It was $265 a year. They came out and done a flood plan and put me in the 100-year flood plan, and it went to $1,400 a year, so I had to drop it. I couldn't afford it. So I don't have any flood insurance now.
Oh, you don't have flood insurance now?
Nah. I can't afford it. And we had family in the churches that came and helped us doing Floyd. And things like that you don't forget. The good thing that comes out of it is you know who your friends really are. They'll step up.